Adding a gift card to your iPhone is a straightforward process that allows you to purchase apps, music, and other digital content from the App Store and iTunes. To begin, make sure you have the gift card and your iPhone nearby. First, open the App Store on your iPhone by tapping the App Store icon on your home screen. Once the App Store is open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page, where you can view your account information and make changes to your settings. Next, tap the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. This will prompt you to enter the code from your gift card. Take the gift card and locate the code, which is usually on the back of the card and may be hidden under a scratch-off panel. Enter the code carefully, making sure to type it in correctly. After entering the code, tap the Redeem button. Your iPhone will then verify the code and add the gift card balance to your Apple ID account. You can view your updated balance by going back to your account page. It is essential to note that gift cards can only be used to purchase digital content, such as apps, music, and movies, and cannot be used to purchase physical products or accessories. Additionally, gift cards can only be redeemed on the device they were purchased for. So make sure you are using the correct device. To use your gift card balance, simply browse the App Store or iTunes and select the item you want to purchase. When you go to pay, select the option to use your Apple ID balance. The cost of the item will be deducted from your gift card balance, and you will receive the item immediately. Best practices for adding a gift card to your iPhone include keeping your gift card in a safe place, to avoid losing it, and making sure to use your gift card balance before it expires. You should also be cautious when entering the code from your gift card, as incorrect entries may result in errors or delays. In conclusion, adding a gift card to your iPhone is a simple and convenient way to purchase digital content from the App Store and iTunes. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your gift card and start enjoying your favorite apps, music, and movies.